What if I told you that the difference between those who crumble under pressure and those who conquer isn't talent, resources, or luck? What if the true superpower we all have access to is simply our mindset? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into how to develop a mindset so powerful that no obstacle can defeat you. Not because you'll never fail, but because you'll never stay defeated. I remember the moment my entire life collapsed around me. What I didn't realize then was that this breakdown would become the foundation for the most important breakthrough of my life. Section 1. The foundation of an undefeatable mindset. Before we talk tactics, we need to understand what an undefeatable mindset really is. It's not about toxic positivity or denying reality. It's about three core principles. 1. Perspective mastery, the ability to frame any situation in a way that empowers rather than diminishes you. Your life is shaped not by what happens to you, but by how you interpret what happens. 2. Emotional resilience, not the absence of difficult emotions, but the capacity to experience them without being controlled by them. The strongest people aren't those who never feel fear or doubt. They're the ones who act despite these feelings. 3. Identity evolution. Who you believe you are determines what you believe is possible. Most people try to change their actions without changing their self-concept, which is why they eventually revert to old patterns. These three elements form the foundation of a truly undefeatable mindset. Now let's break down how to develop each one. Section 2. Building perspective mastery. Let's start with perspective mastery, which begins with one simple question that changes everything. When faced with any challenge, instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is this teaching me and how can I use it?" Here's a practical exercise you can use daily to strengthen your perspective muscles. Section 3. Cultivating emotional resilience. Now let's talk about emotional resilience, your ability to process difficult emotions without being overtaken by them. The key insight that changed everything for me was realizing that emotions are information, not commands. You don't have to obey them. 1. The 90-second rule. 2. Name it to tame it. 3. The emotion processing protocol. Section 4. Engineering identity evolution. The most powerful force in human psychology is the need to act in alignment with who we believe we are. Here's a 3-step process to consciously evolve your identity. 1. Identity archaeology. Uncovering limiting beliefs about who you are. 2. Identity architecture. Designing who you want to become. 3. Identity embodiment. Living as your evolved self before you feel ready. Section 5. The mindset integration system. Now let's put it all together with what I call the mindset integration system. AKC, daily practice that takes just 10 minutes but will transform how you respond to any challenge. This system works because it aligns your perspective, emotions, and identity before you face the day's challenges. Developing an undefeatable mindset isn't about never experiencing setbacks. It's about creating a relationship with challenge that transforms obstacles into opportunities. Remember, this isn't about becoming someone new. It's about revealing the strength that's already within you. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And for those ready to take this work deeper, I've created a comprehensive mindset mastery workbook that walks you through these principles step by step. Drop a comment below sharing one challenge you're facing right now, and I'll personally respond with a perspective shift that might help you see it differently. Until next time, remember, your mindset isn't just how you think, it's how you live. See you in the next video.